If you are an aspiring or a successful content creator, having the best vlogging camera can enhance your content significantly. We have thoroughly reviewed the top vlogging cameras available to cater to all kinds of budgets and requirements. Our expert recommendations are ranked in this guide to help you find the perfect tool for creating content for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. In this video, we recommend the top 6 best vlogging cameras you can purchase in 2024. If you want to learn more about these products, we have included links in the description box below to find the best deals. Let's get started. Number 6. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is a highly recommended compact APS-C camera that is specifically designed for beginner vloggers. It is Nikon's smallest and most affordable APS-C mirrorless camera yet, making it an ideal choice for those who are just starting with vlogging. The camera's vari-angle touchscreen compensates for its lack of a viewfinder, providing good flexibility for shooting in different angles. One of the features that make the Nikon Z30 stand out is its comfortable grip, which makes it easy to handle even when self-shooting. Additionally, the camera's 3.0-inch display is user-friendly and can be flipped for vlogging. When flipped, the camera switches to selfie mode and tracks your face with sticky autofocus, making capturing stable and crisp images easier. However, in selfie mode, you cannot visually check sound levels without a headphone jack, leaving audio monitoring to guesswork. Nonetheless, the 16 to 50 mm kit glass is impressively sharp, and since the Z30 records using the entire sensor width, you can use the lens's full field of view. Electronic vibration reduction stabilizes handheld vlogging, but its 1.3x crop is restrictive at arm's length. Despite its limitations, the Nikon Z30 can shoot uncropped 4K/30p and HD 120p video with EVR disabled. Moreover, the camera offers a range of color profiles and useful features such as a tally lamp, which makes it a competent camera for fledgling creators. Number 5. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a high-quality camera that is perfect for vlogging. Its compact size and ease of use make it a great choice for those who operate solo. It is the smallest and lightest full-frame camera that comes with image stabilization. The ZV-E10 is even more portable, but due to its smaller APS-C sensor, it does not provide the same video quality. Our tests have revealed that the ZV-E1 is capable of capturing crisp 4K 60p footage in all lighting conditions. This is because of its full-frame sensor that has been borrowed from the A7S III, which is known for its exceptional low-light performance. Additionally, the camera's in-body image stabilization produces smooth handheld footage, almost making a gimbal unnecessary. You can expect the footage to be stable and smooth even when you're on the move. The ZV-E1 also comes with cutting-edge AI technology that provides auto-framing. This feature reliably tracks subjects across the image and is a big win when recording alone. The AI-powered technology also helps in post-production, leaving very little to fix after the fact. However, the ZV-E1 is not ideal for heavy use, as it lacks cooling vents and has only one card slot. This means that it may overheat when used for extended periods, and you'll need to frequently switch out memory cards when recording. It can also be challenging to pick out details on the vari-angle touchscreen when working outdoors in bright light. Despite these limitations, the Sony ZV-E1 is an excellent choice for content creators who operate solo and want to capture high-quality 4K footage. Number 4. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a highly capable camera that is ideal for those who are just starting their journey into content creation. It inherits the well-balanced body of the X-S10, which is comfortable to hold, and features simplified dials on the top plate that make it easier to get to grips with what is quite an advanced shooting tool. The camera boasts a 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, which is among the best in its class and delivers outstanding image quality. It also has 6K/30p 4:2:2 10-bit internal recording, which is overkill for most people, but it does ensure that the camera is future-proof and capable of producing high-quality content. Additionally, improved in-body image stabilization makes it easier to capture steady footage, even when shooting handheld. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a great all-rounder, and its bigger battery ensures that you can keep shooting for longer periods without worrying about running out of power. However, the price hike may be a drawback for many beginners, and the lack of weather sealing is a disappointment for those who like to shoot in challenging conditions. The older X-S10 is still available at a lower price point and is a great option for those on a budget. However, the X-S20 comes with a dedicated vlog mode, which puts neat creative settings just a tap away, making it the more tempting proposition for bloggers and content creators who want to create engaging and compelling videos. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix GH6. The Panasonic GH5 II is a popular camera for vloggers due to its compact size and creative potential. However, the GH6 offers even better features. It has a sharper 25.2 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor that can shoot 5.7K footage at 60 frames per second with a wide range of formats, frame rates, and resolutions. Additionally, it has a larger catalog of 10-bit modes and forced fan cooling, which means it can record for as long as needed. Despite being slightly bigger than the GH5 Mark II, the GH6 is still portable and easy to handle. It also has familiar controls and new tally lights on the front and back. The 3-inch rear touchscreen can flip, twist, and tilt, while a second video record button on the front makes it even easier for vloggers to start recording. The GH6 offers comprehensive connectivity options, although it doesn't have live streaming capabilities like the GH5 Mark II. In addition, it lacks phase detection autofocus, but contrast-based autofocus performance is better than the GH5 Mark II. The GH6 also has superior stabilization due to an algorithmic upgrade, making it one of the best cameras for smoothing out walking motion naturally. Number 2. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a small and powerful camera that is designed to meet the needs of vloggers and content creators. It is a compact camera that offers excellent versatility, thanks to its small size and lightweight design. The camera is equipped with a hot shoe, mic port, and fully articulating touchscreen, making it easy to use and customize to your specific needs. During field testing, we found that the Sony ZV-1 offers best-in-class real-time tracking and IAF, which makes it ideal for capturing moving subjects or people. The 1-inch sensor is capable of producing crisp and detailed 4K 30p video, making it perfect for content creators who want to produce high-quality video. Our review also confirmed that the ZV-1 offers a lot of depth for a compact camera, with useful features like a built-in ND filter and S-Log2 profiles. These features are especially useful for those who want to embrace color grading and editing their videos to look more professional. Although the newer Sony ZV-1F model offers a wider 20mm lens and smartphone-style interface at a lower price, it cannot replace the original ZV-1 from the top spot due to its older contrast AF system and cold shoe mount. The Sony ZV-1 II, the pricier successor to the ZV-1 that features a wider lens but no in-body stabilization, is also a great camera, but its feature set does not justify the extra cost, especially when Sony continues to sell the ZV-1. Overall, the Sony ZV-1 is a highly capable camera that is perfect for vloggers and content creators who want a small, versatile, and powerful camera that produces high-quality video. It offers a lot of useful features, excellent image quality, and a compact design that makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. 1. DJI Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an exceptional compact vlogging camera that offers a significant improvement over its predecessor, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. This powerful camera delivers several features that make it an excellent choice for those who want to upgrade their vlogging game. One of the most notable features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is its pocket-friendly form factor and silky smooth footage thanks to a 3-axis gimbal. This camera is small enough to fit in your pocket, making it highly portable and convenient to carry around. The gimbal offers excellent stability, ensuring that your video footage is steady and smooth even when you're moving around. The video quality of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is also impressive. Despite its small size, this camera is capable of keeping up with much larger devices like the Sony ZV-1. With support for 4K 120p, you can shoot fantastic slow-mo footage with ease. The onboard mic is more than enough for decent audio quality, although the camera also supports remote mics. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 also boasts several new features that make it the best vlogging camera for most people. The 1-inch sensor and 2-inch rear LCD improve the camera's low-light capabilities and resolution, making it easier to capture high-quality footage in any lighting condition. Additionally, the camera now supports multi-aspect video, which means you can switch between a vertical square aspect ratio or traditional horizontal 16:9 with ease. The rotating touchscreen rear display makes it seamless to switch between these modes, and the footage is fantastic since you're not losing out on any detail. Overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an excellent camera for vloggers who want a compact, portable, and high-quality camera that delivers excellent footage with ease.
Here are the best vlogging cameras. If this video resonates with you, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, or ideas for our next review, or just want to chat, feel free to drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
Peace out.